everybody, welcome back to my channel. So we're in my basement. I did get my new washing machine. I think I said in the last one that it is broken. The drain pump on it didn't work at all. So I had a towel in there because it wouldn't drain. So that's got to be washed. I'll put that in this. I still have my old washer and dryer, which I'm keeping for garden stuff, Terry's hunting clothes and that. But so somebody's coming out tomorrow to look at it. We'll see if we can fix it. And then if not, there's a scheduled delivery next Wednesday for a new one from the company I bought it from. So Terry put together this shelf for me here because we got a new shelf because I needed more room. Here are my starts that we did together. So the stalk, here is the celery root. My hollyhocks aren't that great. And my marigolds, snapdragons, I planted these ones the other day. And then we have some more stuff down there. So I'm finding that I need a new shelf, but I also need to, I don't know, do things a bit different. I bought more lights as well. So we're gonna put the lights together. My whole house is such a mess right now. So everything's just going down here. Terry's, as I said in other videos, he's been really sick with shingles. So I haven't been able to really be doing that much. It's crazy weather. It's been such a horrible winter. It's been good because we've gotten snow, but there's snow. You can't even barely see my garden. It's covering it all and that, which is fine because it's good for the well. We had well problems last year, so it's good for that. And then I'm trying to empty everything out of the master bedroom because I want to paint it. That's the only room in the house that hasn't been done. Oh my goodness. Today, everything's just so much harder in life at the moment. And I don't know why. So there's just been like a lot of stuff happening. That's emotional stuff happening in my family. Everything just seems like everything's harder. I woke up this morning and yesterday and I had a migraine right in my one eye. Oh, it was so horrible. And I just feel like everything's upside down and backwards. And I don't know. It'll pass, right? These things pass. You just gotta keep going. So I want to put these together because I need to start potting some stuff. I decided too that I was gonna redo the front garden as well. And exciting news, me and my mom have booked a vacation to Cozumel in the fall, so I'm very excited about that. I'm excited to just spend time with my mom, to have time with her and go away. We haven't gone away together since probably in 20 years, me and her, as in a trip somewhere. Excited to just spend time with my mom. And that, I think I've said it on my channel before that my mom has stage 4 breast cancer, so it's just really nice that we are planning a vacation and spend some time together. And I'm sure that I am going to take you guys along with me on that vacation. My mom, she's fine with being on camera. She's been on my channel before, so I'm sure she will be okay with it. And I'm gonna bring I bought Terry a GoPro, I think 4 years ago or so. And I think I'm gonna bring his GoPro and buy one of those snorkeling masks that you can hook up to it. And that's, I like to snorkel. My mom doesn't swim that much. She doesn't know how to swim, but I want to go and swim with the sea turtles and the stingers, everything. So we're staying at a place in Cozumel that's right by that reef, so I can snorkel off of the beach. We're also probably going to do a couple of excursions. I know we want to do the one that goes out where you can just wade in the water if you want, but it's crystal clear and they have the sea turtles and all that stuff there. We want to do a cooking class too, an authentic cooking class there when we're there. So we want to do, I think, 3 excursions, and the rest of the time we're just going to relax at the hotel, I think. So I'm excited about that. I'm really excited about going with my mom. I think that's the most excitement, is being able to spend that time with my mom. And it's hunting season, so Terry, my dad, will be hunting, so that'll be good. And I think what I might do too this year, Terry cooks. Terry's the one that cooks his meat. I'm not, because I don't cook his meat. I don't know. I have this thing, I can't eat something that I've seen a picture of. So he cooks the meat for himself that he hunts. So maybe in the summer, I will get him, I'll do a couple videos with him and how he does it, his venison and everything. He's there. So I'm just putting these lights together. These are the same lights that I bought here. I know, I think I did a video, but I didn't post it, but these ones are pretty easy to get together. I bought 6 4-foot ones, which is perfect for this shelf. So Beans is right there. Beans, what are you doing, Beans? What are you doing, Beans? She's so curious. So these here, so you take the lights and there's these little area there. And you take the side like this and you're just gonna match it up, put it in there. So we're gonna redo the bedroom. I was gonna get Terry to build a fireplace for it in the wall, but I think I'm gonna buy one that's in a cabinet. There's some that I found that you could buy in these mid-century modern type looking cabinet, and it'll be nice that if we want we can move it to another room so it's not so stationary. I think that's the plan. That bedroom gets so cold, and I think it's because the vents are smaller. Terry was telling me these vents here, this is the front of the house, so right here would be the front door. That's the porch. If you stand there, you can feel the cold because this is a cold cellar here. If I open it, you can see it's like a cold cellar in there. Well, I don't use it. I should use it. I might get, oh my God, Michelle, what are you doing? I do have an exterminator come a couple times a year to spray around the house. The first year we lived here, we had an ear rig problem. And so it's just something that we get done because we do live in the country and bugs are bugs. So we get them to spray around the property. The first year though, we had them spray inside, but we had to take the cats out of off the property because they can't be in here to spray for so many hours. I think I might do that again this year, have them spray inside and just take the cats to my parents for the day. It's hard because we have the 3 of them, so. Missy Beans, did you bring me your favorite toy? Did you? This is a piece of a parachute rope that Terry uses for something, and he cut off a piece. This was last year, and this is her favorite toy. This is her favorite thing in the world, is this string. She's right over there. There she is. So she makes me laugh. She makes me smile. They all do. So here we have, if you can see, I put them in there. So then the light over there. And I'll link these below. These ones, I think they were $104 or something. They were on sale when I got them. I just got them this week. I ordered them Friday and they came yesterday. I'm gonna plant my snapdragons out 2 weeks before our last frost date, because at the end of this month, I'm going to order 5 yards of triple mix and 5 yards of compost. So the soil will be workable because I'll be having new soil on it. It's pretty good. And then I'm gonna plant my cold crops. Anything that could be worked in right before the last frost date, I'm going to plant as early as I can. I am going away weekend of April 19th, I believe, with my mom. We are going to the Price is Right. So that'll be fun. I have not seen the Price is Right in years. I'm an 80s baby. I was born in 1980. So homesick, that's what you watched when you were homesick. But we are going to the Price is Right. So just kind of take that long to put these together, but what are you doing, Beans? Where's the other 2? Are they sleeping? Hey, don't eat that, Beans. I'm gonna be happy once my washer situation is fixed. I feel like I just wanted it quickly, and every time I rush something, it just never works out. So I regret buying it now, but usually we buy all of our stuff, like our appliances, from Costco. But this time I went with the brick, and it's like, okay, I should have stuck with Costco. That's fun. What are you doing, Beans? Those are all put together. Take that long, maybe like what, 5 minutes? I think I just used this. I just used these. So these things here, these little clips, you just clip them on. And then you gotta watch these things here. So you want them to be the opposite. So you want a female and then you want a male so that they can go on that. So, I bought these chains as well. I thought these might work better than the zip ties. So we'll see if they do. This is a female side here, so I'm gonna put a male side here. So now that those ones are like that, you take this cord and you put the one on one side and this side here. And then you would take the power cord and plug it in. Maybe I should finish all these first. I'm thinking I have one extra of these clips, but I did not. It's just today. Today is one of those days where, just one of those days. So once you get that done, then you just can plug these in. So this is, so you're just gonna plug them in there. I'm gonna go get a box for this stuff. Or better, I think I have to move all my seed stuff somewhere else because they're gonna come and look at the washer. I might have to move it. I think I'm gonna have to move these over here. So I'm gonna put one right here. This one. So they should all turn on. They're not the same kind of color as that. So that's where I'm gonna have to put them. We're gonna have to figure out that's Christmas. We really have to organize this basement. It is so messy and disorganized. It's driving me crazy. I'm gonna turn these lights off. What I'm gonna do too is, if I really needed to, I could use these lights on this bottom shelf too. I have a couple of those. So I thought I'd bring you down to see the seeds. I put this together in another video that I will post. But here are the seeds that we started a while ago. I have to come and plant these ones in bigger pots. These ones are not, these are petunias. I thought they were snapdragons, but I don't like the soil I used. I'm gonna have to get different soil. My hollyhocks here, these ones are coming up. So these ones are my bee balm and my marigolds here. My peppers, my poblano peppers are coming up really good now that I planted them early. And I have some lemon drops that I'm gonna have to transplant. And then here is the celery root. This is Eskimo marigold, which I'm gonna have to transplant. These are my chamomile, asters, my lisianthus. They take forever. Milkweed. I believe this is dahlias here and here. Celosa. I'm going to have to thin all of these out. More marigolds. These are the strawberry blonde marigolds there. I find a lot of this soil had bark and stuff in it. I was not impressed by it at all. And then here are my snapdragons. So they're starting to come up. I have to thin those out and transplant them. These ones I planted the other day. They're starting to come up. Same with those ones. I have to thin them out. So these snapdragons I didn't cover, but these ones I did cover with too much soil. I find that the mushrooms too, which means it's healthy soil, but there's a lot of mushrooms. So those are snapdragons. And these ones did not come up that well. So actually I think they came up. They're coming up in the middle there. So I'm gonna have to go and thin those out. Same with these. I'm gonna have to spray this too because that's a bit dry. I think I like the soil blocks. I like those here. I like doing my snapdragons like this and then thinning them out. I think that I'm gonna get different trays to put these in and all the other things in. And we have this set up so I can transplant and put more stuff in here. So I think I'm gonna do another order on Amazon. These lights here, I just have them hanging like that. Once I get this set up, I will move the lights. Also, my washer dryer is fixed. Now, funny story about this is that it was always fine. What happened was, because this is such a heavy machine, underneath the packaging, when Terry took it off and he took it off what it was packaged on, all of the foam, there was foam stuck right in the bottom of it. So now the machine is fine. It's always been fine. It just kinked the drain hose. So we're good.